Start smoking.
Alright, show you this yay. One finger. Pick her on up, baby. You see it. Yeah, so that's the Gorilla Lift, guys. Took me about 45 minutes to install it. Wasn't hard at all. You will need, for this actual lift, you're gonna need a 1/2-inch bit, drill bit, and a 3/4 inch drill bit. But that's it. Alright, man, so today's video was inspired by this yard I'm about to do right here, which I've been having now about, it'll be going on my 3rd season with it. And I ended up getting this yard at the beginning by pulling weeds. So got a call from the guy one day and he said, man, I want to talk to you about the price. And I was confused and thought that I was gonna lose the yard. But actually what happened was he said, man, you do a great job. I'm gone. My wife says the yard is always taken care of. And I'd like you to up the price $10 on me. And the guy upped the price $10 himself on a weekly yard that I'm doing now. And this yard is pretty much where I love to be at on a minimum price, which is $75. So for the guys out here who's doing 10 yards a day, coming home with $400, just imagine if you got 10 guys who you can get to pay you this $400 versus $750, which I don't do $750 on an average a day right now. I don't want to lie to you, but it can get there. Takes time, won't be overnight. All right, so man, the reason why you want to get that price right and charge what you need to be charging, man, we in the game to make financial security. We're not here to make friends. You know, business is warfare. So we're not here to make friends. You have to charge the appropriate price, and you really need to find what the competition is out there charging, because you'll be out there doing yards, being overworked and underpaid. And you'll be picking up lines, and guys will be laughing like, hey, that guy just picked up that line. He might be doing for $50, and last year I was hitting them for 85. So find out what your prices are, because you're in this to get financial security, and you want to be able to afford a better quality of life. When you don't feel desperate, you don't do crazy moves. When you're in desperation, sometimes you make a crazy move or a crazy decision and you're like, man, I should have did that. I should have been thinking. And you do that because you're out of desperation sometimes. And when you're in desperate situations, you make desperate moves. You don't want to be there. Up that price, get yourself where you're comfortable, where you got so many yards at the prices you want them at, you're actually comfortable letting someone go if it doesn't fit your program. Now, it took a while for me to get to that, but you got to understand, everybody don't own zero turns. Everybody don't want to get out here and mow the yard. Everybody's not trying to do what we do. And you just got to find the right customers in the right area that's willing to pay those prices. And you want to be able to afford better things. That's why you want to be able to charge those prices. I'm talking about just better things all the way around, as far as you eat, as far as your living situation, as far as, you know, your vehicle maybe. You want to have the best of the best in your business. You want to be able to have the best lifestyle that you can afford. Nobody's here to get up and go to work every day and work hard, break the back, and you can't enjoy none of the fruits of your labor. Up the price. Bring the quality and up the price and get what you're supposed to get for those yards. And when you got a lot of money, and not saying a lot of money, but enough money where you're comfortable, it opens up room to be able to have opportunities for personal growth. You can actually start working on you. You can actually start studying things and start watching like YouTube and re-educating yourself and learning more, because you're not in that desperation mode. You're not in the mode to where I just got to have this money. I just got to do this. If I don't do it, or if I turn this down, what's going to happen? Get yourself out of that mode. You have to, as soon as you can. In the beginning, it's going to be tough. It won't be overnight. You're going to have to go find these customers to be able to afford this lifestyle you're talking about. And I'm in the middle of it, in the midst of it, right to where they're starting to come. They're starting to be the type of customers that I'm just loving now. I'm getting these customers now, man, when I send a text out, and these are weeklies. Like I've basically got, I've got more weeklies than bi-weeklies now, which is very good. I can't complain at all, because I used to have a lot of bi-weeklies. I used to have a lot of, I call you when I need you. I'm on front. That's what I had going on, and I had to situate my situation. So, get yourself where you can charge that price that you need to be charging. Get what your value is. That way you can start making times for other opportunities, and you can try to grow personally and work on the things that you really want to work on, because this is actually a job until you can be there and nobody has to be there for you to run it. You actually just got a job until then. So, and right here I'm using my mower to actually blow some of that grass back in, so I don't have to come back up and blow it. So since then I've got a shoot block since this video, and I'll actually do a video showing my advanced shoot block that I put on it for ballot. So another thing, guys, once you get more money, it gives you the ability to help others. Now you have a way that you can try to give back through your time, through your actions, or through your money. So you can help others. I mean, this is me. I don't do everything I do just for my self-interest. I'm actually trying to get myself to another level to where I can actually help those who's in need of help. And I feel really bad I hadn't got you guys no videos in a while. You guys who just now watching the channel, hit the like, hit the subscribe, leave a comment. Used to getting 3-4 videos out a week. This year I've just been growing so much. I've been having to take on more. I've been really, like I say, getting those weeklies, and just been having more work. It's been hard to get these videos out, but I got to talk when I had with somebody, put the fire back in me, and you're going to get these videos again. So you can actually help others when you start getting more money. You can actually help others. You're not going to be Jesus. You can't save everybody. But you can do a little bit now. Once you get a little more money, it helps you buy more time. You get more time, you can give more time. You can help people. That's how you're going to get your blessing. Your blessing is really going to come from helping people. And you also want to get more money for freedom and flexibility. You don't want to be limited on your choices. You don't want to be just, I got to do this because this is what it is. You actually want to be like, no, I got a choice. Maybe I'll do this. I'll sign up and do it today. Maybe I won't. You got the choice. So, charge the price you need to charge. The money is out here. You can get out here and make easily $300, $400, $500, $600, $700 to $1,000 a day once you get these prices right. Once you get these prices right, if you don't have the proper equipment, you can start taking the money to get the proper equipment that you need to make your jobs even easier for you. So get out here, man. The money's here, man. Get your plan, write it down, and the bands are out here when it comes to this lawn care. You just got to get out here and grind. You got to get out here and wake up every day and go get it, because it's out here for you.
Start smoking.